What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So you saw in the thumbnail, they finally came in. I bought them an hour after they released when I couldn't get them on sneakers and paid resale. But they finally came in. The shoe that fucked the sneaker market up 13 years ago. Galaxy Foams. Let's kick it.
One, two, three, four.
So I do like that they went with the Galaxy print on the Nike box. It's the usual Foamposite box, but instead of that blacked out gloss Nike logo, it's got the Galaxy print. Got it over here as well. Got it on all sides pretty much. And on the bottom, I did get size 9 like I usually do with foams. Foamposite 1 Quick Strike, Obsidian, Anthracite, and Black. So you can get your true size. They make the Foamposite carrier a bit softer than it used to be, but I still like to just get, you know, the half size up. They're just more comfortable to me. You got the Galaxy print paper, and it's double papered. Of course, I've looked at them already. Come on. And they have the white paper as well. The one that's easiest to get to does not have the flight tag. As you can see, I got them from StockX because it was a little bit cheaper than getting them from Goat at the moment, but that Galaxy print, I know not everybody's a fan of the printed foams, but this is just such an icon, such a game changer, such a disruptor of a shoe. They're much more reasonable to get. They're in the 300s, which is a lot, but compared to like the 1200 they normally go for, the originals, no thank you. But we have that glow-in-the-dark translucent sole, blacked out herringbone traction, anthracite gray penny logo. We have an anthracite gray swoosh on this Durabuck. That's for the eye stays with the anthracite gray stitching and then lines on the pull tab. Grayed out penny logo in the jewel. Anthracite grayed out penny logo and stripes on the back. They're just they're a mood, they're a vibe. They're not for everyone. They are extremely iconic, though. It's a grail foam for many reasons. Is it the coolest looking foams ever? No. Honestly, to me, the UNC Foamposite Pros and the Dr. Doom Foamposite Pros, probably 1 and 2. For me, honestly. The Paranormans, actually a little doper than this. I never thought they'd re-release these. So, speaking of the Paranormans, fingers crossed, maybe? Got a Foamposite resurgence. Nike, I need those UNC Foamposite Pros. The white and university blue ones, guys. They came out in 01. They've never retroed. It's either 01 or 03, but that's the grail foams for me. I have the university blue Foamposite 1 from 2016, and they're great, but they're not the Foamposite Pros. Anyway, I have a slew of foams. I don't have all the foams I want, but I got a lot of good ones. And I have these now. And if it wasn't raining all weekend, I'd be wearing them this weekend. But it's raining all weekend. I'm not putting that translucent sole in the dirty, nasty rainwater, concrete dirt. Not going to do it. It's going to be a dry day when I pull these bad boys out. And speaking of pulling these bad boys out, let's take a look at this insole. Full length zoom. They're super comfortable. Double stacked zoom in the heel as well. Go ahead and pull this sticker off the sock liner. And here we have it. Now, I forgot what this is. That the Flight logo, I think? I don't remember exactly. I think it's the Nike Flight logo. Cheap, chintzy, garbage foam insole. but it don't matter. Like I said, you got a full-length zoom bag directly underneath this in the shoe with another smaller zoom bag double stacked in the heel. It's a double lasted midsole, so everything's on the interior of the shoe. The tongue and everything's a booty design, so there will be no tongue slipping and twisting or anything like that on you with a Foamposite, neither the Pros nor the Foamposite one like this. Make sure I get that all the way down. Believe it or not, these are actually very comfortable. A little bit of mesh with some neoprene to wrap the Achilles. Depending on how you wear them, I wear them unlaced. You know, you might get a little bit of heel slip if they don't cradle the foot really well, because I do get half size up, but they still fit my foot pretty well. But yeah, these are a moment in time that came back to life. I still can't believe they re-released these. I still can't believe it. I thought this was always going to be a one-off. StockX exists because of this shoe, for those of you that don't know the story. The guy that started StockX because of this shoe. Yeah. And yes, I know about the lawsuit with Nike and all that stuff. And I'm pretty confident these aren't fake. You know, if they are, there's some really good fakes, right? So I'm happy with them. They look good. You know what I haven't done yet that I'm ready to do? Get them on feet. You've seen them briefly on my feet because of the way the editing goes down. But in reality, currently, these have not been on my feet yet. So I'm eager to do so. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe before you leave. We'll see you on the next one. Yeah, have a good one.